How to get TinyTask working on your mobile device. Now, TinyTask itself isn't designed for phones, so we'll need to explore a few options. As you can see, searching for TinyTask in your App Store won't yield any results. TinyTask is a Windows desktop application. So, what we can do? Let's try searching online for TinyTask Mobile. You'll find various websites offering APKs. Remember, downloading APKs from unknown websites can expose your device to malware. Instead of downloading an APK, I recommend these safer alternatives. First, use an Android emulator, and second, use mobile automation apps. So while you can't directly download TinyTask, these alternatives provide safe and effective ways to achieve similar automation on your mobile device.